I will never underestimate a bird again after learning this. Some claim the martial eagle snatches baby antelope like toys. Let's sort myth from fact. Myth: this eagle casually lifts full-grown antelope into the sky. Fact: martial eagles are huge, up to 7 kilograms. Fact: 2.6-meter wingspans. Fact: and they do hunt young or small antelope, but they rarely carry heavy prey long distances. They often kill on the ground, tear pieces to eat, or drag smaller victims to a perch. So, yes, they can take a baby antelope, but not like a flying grocery bag. Respect these predators and nature's limits.